Okay, I just have to take a few minutes and show you this thing. It's just amazing. One of the best TMAs this semester. Just one of the best. I know there are many of them out there, but I just finished this one right now. You can see the number of students still online, 1,600 are still submitting. Okay, today they said it's closing today. It's probably not going to close anyway, but we don't have to put that across. It's probably not going to close, but we don't know that anyway. We fold our hands and wait. So let's go to grades and see. The fact that you are seeing this 37%, 20 is not what it is. It's not. This one is just showing you that there are some links you are supposed to click that you have not clicked. That's all. But for your TMA scores, you go to grades. Go to grades. There you would see that this TMAs has been submitted. You can see the scores. Just look at this. Just look at that. All the courses, all of them, except this, is 29. All of them are 30, except this. I made a mistake here. Submitted this now. Let's open one. You see the time it was submitted. If you open this, you see TMA 1, 2, 3. And then the time is not here. Let's say you open this. You see submitted today. You can see that here. Just a few minutes ago, about 8 minutes ago, that I finished it. And I said, let me do a video on this. It's not that all the TMAs are like this. No, no, they are not. But some are like this, especially all of them in this department. Coupled with the new ways, I found yesterday. Imagine TMA is closing today, and I just found something yesterday. So, but that's for next semester, though.